Have you ever wondered what makes a project truly succeed? What if we told you that the secret lies in effective project implementation strategies? This video will break down essential skills for project managers and how they can lead to success. In project management, a good plan is crucial. It should guide implementation and produce valuable outcomes. Having the same individuals plan and implement activities improves coordination. When the project team develops skills for both planning and executing the plan, success rates increase. Project managers need a diverse skill set. Leadership, communication, negotiation, and facilitation are key skills required. These abilities help navigate the complexities of project implementation. Project managers must communicate the project plan effectively to the team and stakeholders. Monitoring and controlling the project is another crucial aspect. Project managers must identify and manage changes throughout the project. Ensuring that these changes benefit the project is essential. This includes managing constraints like scope, budget, and quality. As a communicator, the project manager's role is vital. They provide timely information to relevant stakeholders. This includes updates on project objectives, risks, and constraints. Effective communication fosters critical decision-making among all parties involved. Next, let's talk about the leader aspect. A project manager must lead the team toward a common vision. This involves communicating goals and motivating the team. The project manager helps maintain focus and direction throughout the project's life. As a facilitator, the project manager creates an environment for collaboration. They enable the project team to work effectively. Instead of doing all tasks, the project manager supports the team in achieving performance goals. Coordination is also a key skill. The project manager must integrate goals and activities among various stakeholders. Keeping everyone aligned ensures the project remains on track and meets objectives. Lastly, project managers must be motivators. Development projects can be demanding, affecting team morale. Identifying what motivates individual team members is essential. The project manager fosters teamwork and creates an atmosphere that encourages engagement. To sum up, essential project implementation skills include communication, leadership, facilitation, coordination, and motivation. These skills contribute to project success and enhance team effectiveness. If you want to equip yourself with these skills, start by reviewing your current project management approach. Join our community to learn more about project management best practices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread the knowledge.